Hi, it's Cameron with ClickMock Solutions. Today we're here at a facility to use the MineFly drone. We're going to be capturing point cloud data in a GPS-denied environment.
When flying the drone underground, always transport to the site in the carrying case. Be sure to assemble in a clean and dry area. You can then mount the scanner on top of the MineFly drone. When ready to use, turn on the scanner. You can then take off the drone. Take your time scanning the area. Slow movements keep the drone under control. Avoid aggressively hitting the control sticks. Having a visual observer helps with your situational awareness. Try to keep the drone in the middle or center of the area you are trying to scan.
The MineFly drone uses its sensors to detect objects. When moving forward through caverns, it will prevent you from veering towards walls or other gaps. However, sometimes you're going to come up to an area such as this, and the sensors may determine that there is a wall because it's sensing the corners of the wall. In order to overcome this, you're going to want to switch the drone to attitude mode. This will disable the obstacle sensors. By enabling attitude mode, the obstacle sensors are no longer active. You will then be able to pass through the area. Once you are through the area, you should immediately put the switch all the way back to the top onto position mode. This will turn the obstacle sensors back on again to keep you flying safe.
When relocating or finished up for the day, pack up the drone to ensure its condition. When back at the office, you could take the drone out of the case to let it dry out in case any moisture has accumulated on the drone. And a good clean never hurts.